These are the meaning and context. Now the second part of this exercise is give a synonym for each word and make sentences with both words. Now I will tell you the synonym of all these words and then you will try to make sentences with these words and the synonym answer words by yourself to make your practice greater. And first example is done over here. So the synonym for steep is inclined. Second we have is rich, its synonym is wealthy. Third is raised, its synonym is elevated. Often, its answer is frequently. Walk, wander. Then we have quiet, its answer is silent. Tired, exhausted. Present, gift. Simple, plain. Unhappy, sad. So these are all the synonyms of these words. Try to make sentences with the words and synonyms as well. After this, we have to choose the best exercise in which we have to pick the correct answer among all the options. So the very first one is, where was Kim's house located? So it was located on a steep hillside. Option B. What did Kim's father grow on his farm? He grew corn, fruit and vegetables. Option C. After this, you have, where did Kim's father sell his produce? He sold it in a small town 2 hours journey away from his farm. Now, option B. What would Kim and his sister find in the forest on the other side of the valley? Now, its answer is they could find birds and small wild animals. Option A. Last is, which statement is true? Its answer is all the men in the village were farmers. All the men in the village were farmers. After this, we have question answers. Try to answer these all questions in your own words by reading this chapter once or twice so that you will get clear what is this chapter telling you and how you have to answer all these questions by yourself. So now I'm going to give you an idea how to do this part. So who did Kim live with? So Kim lived with his parents and sister Julie. How did Kim's father earn a living? Kim's father earned a living by selling his produce. Why did Kim's father wish he could sell his produce in a big city? Kim's father wished to sell his produce in a big city to get a good price. Question number 4. How long would a journey to one of the nearest big cities take? Why did it need to take so long? Now, its answer is, it took 3 days to reach the nearest big city because there was no railway and mountain roads were very bad. Question number 5. What did Kim's mother do with the wild berries he and his sister brought home from their walks? Now, I have told you what she did do. So, Kim's mother cooked the wild berries he and his sister brought home from their walk. Why was the village in the valley always quiet? The village was always very quiet because the people who lived there were very busy working in the fields during the day and they went to bed early at night. Last question, question number 7. How did the farmers of the village transport their produce to market? Farmers of the village transported their produce to market on carts and lorries. So this is about this chapter, which is life in the country. We have discussed the back exercise of this chapter, which is over here. So I have done all these parts in front of you. So before solving these all parts by yourself, do read this chapter once or at least twice so that you will get clear about this chapter. So this is all about this chapter, which is life in the country, from your English Understand and Communicate book 1. Thank you all of you.